Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and this is Triple Play Saturday round 3. Now round 3 comes with 11 watch faces that we're going to be giving away. This one, I'm telling you, is super bad. Now you got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. So let's go ahead. Let's kick off this review. Remember, in order to participate, you got to comment in the comment section down below. All right, with that being said, let's kick off Triple Play Saturday round 1. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and welcome to Triple Play Saturday round 1. And round 1 is super off the charts. You got to hit me in the comment section below. I got to know your thoughts on this one. Now remember, there's going to be 11 watch face codes being given away, and we're going to thank Z Watch Faces in the door for this watch face. And with that being said, let's get this review started. Now the name of the watch face is called Shifter. Very nice looking watch face. In the always on mode, it's going to look the same for the Gears 3. For the Gears 2, it's going to look slightly different, but it's still yet going to look good. Now, when the watch face is on, this is where this developer took uniqueness to an all new level. Now, the first thing that stands out that I thought added a lot of character to the watch face is the band. Gives you everything that you can ever need in the watch face. You get floors climb, your steps, heart rate, your miles per hour, also calories burned. I'm thinking this developer did an awesome job on this watch face, and I'm gonna give 6 thumbs up in the door. First time ever, yes, 6 thumbs up. This developer got down. Now your time is gonna be in 24 hours. Now what I like that really made this uniqueness, if you look in the background of the watch face, right here, you're going to get the days of the week. Right next to it, you're going to get your 24-hour time. Also, you come over, these are going to be your minutes. You also get your month right next to that, and it is interactive. If I tap right there, I can set an alarm. If I tap here, I can get my calendar. And also, if I tap down here, I can get my calories burned, more step info. Now, this changes according to your step percentage of your step goal you had completed. This is nice. Now here, where you see where I'm hanging out with low cell, the battery is beeping because I am super, super low. This may cut off on me in any minute now, right? But this changes as it goes up. So depending on your battery level, the color is going to change as your battery starts to deplete. And right now I'm on low cell, it's red. If you look up at the top, you also got a second hand as well. Now, if I tap right here, I can change the theme and the look of the watch face. You got so many to choose from. I'm telling you, this watch face is super awesome. You got to hit me in the comment section below. We're going to cycle through some of these just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. I thought the developer did an awesome job on this one. Cycle through a couple more. That should be it right here. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Don't forget to comment so you can be eligible to win a free watch face code. And listen, people, it is the weekend. Enjoy, have fun, party like it's 1999, but most of all, be safe. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the like button, and I will see you all at the next video. Take care.